What was that? Sarah, did you just fart?
What?
No, I swear it wasn't me.
Relax, girls. It's just an earthquake. The volcano is going to erupt soon. Don't worry.
Really? Maybe we shouldn't be standing here then?
We have to wait for the others. I'm sure they'll be back soon. Before we all become toast.
Toasty! Huh? Oh no!
The lava is rising. And nobody is coming to save us. This is how I die.
Oh, come on, man.
Nora, stop complaining and enjoy the view. It's like a free sauna here.
Huh?
Patrick, what are you doing?
I'm playing Fortnite. I want to have some fun before I turn into a steak.
I have absolutely nothing to do.
Wait a minute!
I'll just watch TV. And pretend my life is exciting.
I repeat, a huge volcano is about to erupt. But there are children camping there. Hopefully, someone will save them.
Who goes camping near an active volcano? Those people are absolutely crazy. I would never let my children go there.
If anyone hears me, we must help these poor children.
Yeah, let's save those children. Where is Sebastian? When will he bring the rope? We need to get Nora and Leo out of there.
Which way is the camp? Left? Right? Yeah. I'll just run in a random direction and hope for the best.
Run.
Oh, look. That's the camp.
Yeah, that's them. We need to help them.
Who is going to swim to the other side?
Oh no!
Okay, plan B, guys.
Oh my God. My TikTok channel will become so popular with this video.
Real kids. Real volcano. Real danger. Just what I need.
We are here for you, kids.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there's the camp. I'll go there and grab the rope.
Huh?
Oh, it's just a squirrel. I forgot. I'm not afraid of squirrel anymore.
Bye, have a great time.
37 minutes later.
Come on, it's not fair. I've been standing here for 40 minutes. And still no eruption. What a scam.
Yeah, I'm live streaming this. If the volcano doesn't erupt soon, my battery will die. And I will lose followers.
Stay strong. Everything is gonna be all right.
Yeah, I think it's official. Nobody's coming. Everyone forgot about us. Hey, Patrick. Wanna play Roblox while we wait for our doom?
Sure. Join my server.
Finally. What took you so long?
Bad traffic.
You serious?
Traffic? We're on a mountain.
Okay.
Just throw the rope down already. And be sure to hold the other side of the rope.
Wow, Nora, you're so good at Roblox.
Roblox is my life.
What is that? Is someone trying to rob me?
No, Patrick. Those are my friends. They didn't forget about us.
So why did they throw a rope?
To save us. Come on, let's grab it.
Oh no!
I don't want to. Could be a trap.
Don't be silly. The lava is rising. If you don't grab the rope right now, you'll be barbecued.
Oh shit, not good.
Okay, fine. You convinced me. Pull us up, quickly.
Oh my god! Wow!
Hey, baby. I'm so glad you're both okay.
Wait a minute!
Hey! Who is that guy?
It's Patrick. He's been living in this volcano for 10 years.
Oh my god! What do we do?
Run.
Get over here! Oh no!
Huh?
Oh, look at them go. The lava wave is right behind them. Will they make it?
That was close. If you liked this episode, give it a huge thumbs up. And if you want to see the next episode, subscribe to my channel. Love you guys.